Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, as well as interview experience I shared from our channel of different candidates. So if you have come first time in our channel, you have to subscribe and share this news with your friends so that all the 10 candidates can get this type of news. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about IBM off campus drive. It is a bulk hiring process of IBM. They have shared for associate system engineer hiring position, be BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. These all these branches are eligible. All these graduate streams are eligible, and 2020-22 batch hiring it is okay. So I will discuss all details in this video. Stay tuned and watch till end so that you will get a clear cut idea about the registration process, eligibility criteria, all these things. So batch eligible is 2022. BE Tech, NE, MTech, MCA, MSc are eligible. Associate system engineer position, salary will be 4.2 LPA, very good salary for every location. For pan India location, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Ahmedabad. But for all these locations, they are hiring. So it's a bulk recruitment by IBM. They have published their notification, and your responsibilities will be you will be focusing as an individual team objective team. You will design application, write code, test, debug, and the eligibility main criteria must be you have knowledge of the following these programming languages like Java, Python, Node.js. Any one of them or any two of them are best for you. If you have, then you will be selected in the first round. That is the CV shortlisted thing, and software development lifecycle concepts you must have. Then you have to just very clear about your concepts. You have to fluent in your interpersonal skills like written and spoken English. Design, develop, and re-engineer application components you have to do there. So this is an entry level on campus hiring position. The candidates must be in their final year of education and must obtain their degree before start of the employment with IBM. So those candidates who will be graduating in 2022, those are eligible. BE, MTech, MSc, MCA in CSIT mathematics or other semi-IT circuit branches with 6 CGPA or 58% or 5.8 CGPA in case of Maharashtra are eligible. Okay, so I'm clearing the doubts. What is the eligibility criteria in case of this associate system engineer position for IBM? So watch very carefully, like how the marks you can calculate for the eligibility criteria of IBM, like sum of the marks obtained divided by sum of total maximum marks obtainable. All subjects will be considered including elective or optional subjects. Okay, so for 12th, as we know, for 12 we have elective and optional subjects, so you have to consider all subjects including elective or optional subjects, and how you can divide, like sum of the marks obtained for all those subjects divided by sum of the total maximum marks. Okay, so this is the steps, and in this way you have to secure 58% or 5.8 CGPA, or if you have 6 CGPA, better. So definitely you need to go through this role by clicking on this apply button, and the candidate reference number after registering there will be mailed to you. Okay, then fill this form to complete the registration. Okay, so this is the position associate software engineer or system engineer. Again, you can check the roles. It's a full-time job, entry level job, and 4.2 LPA CTC. Just click on apply now, then registration form will be open to you. So you have to upload your resume, first name, last name, primary email, experience level, area of interest, your skill sets. Then no thanks, continue to join and continue to apply. You need to click on OK. So this is mainly the event drive link. I will give both the link. You can apply through apply button also, and also another link is IBM event registration link. Definitely you need to click on register. Then you have to register you with your all details, like this thing you will be able to do when you are clicking on this application and making it happen, and then you will receive one candidate reference number. Then you need to fill this registration form which I'm showing you here. You need to provide the IBM job ID as well as candidate reference number. Then you need to fill the CGPA things and your educational details, all these things, and if you have done any skills related certification, that also you need to upload and click on submit. Okay, so this is the whole process. Please let me know if you have any doubt in the comment box. I will definitely help you. And you can follow us in our Instagram profile and Telegram channel. You can join to discuss these queries and to clear your doubts there. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button to give us motivation and hit the subscribe button to get this type of job notification daily. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with new job update.